Excavator is cleaning the garbage in the river. Excavator, wait a moment. Truck is coming. Prepare your receiving bucket. Excavator, throw it up.
Hey!
Truck, you are excellent. Excavator continues cleaning. Try to throw it up.
Hey!
1, 2, 3. Truck, take them away. It seems to be raining. Let's speed up.
Okay.
Oh no! It's raining now. It seems not good. Hurry up, Excavator! Oh, what should I do? Excavator is in danger. It's critical. What should we do? Look, truck is back. With a cart of stones. Truck, block the gap with stones. Hey-ya! Look, the flood is receding. Fortunately, the gap was blocked on time. Good job, truck! Excavator continues working. Hook up the broken bucket. Truck, go to take the garbage away. Excavator, throw it up.
Okay.
Hey!
1, 2, 3. Get it! Truck, take the garbage away.
Okay.
This is Bus. Hey, Bus!
Oh no! Burner is setting a bomb! Bad guy, Burner! Bus! Brake! Now!
Hey!
Oh, Bus is stuck here.
Hey! Hey!
It can't climb up. Huh? Oh, it's a bus. It has been trapped. Tenny, please, help it quickly. Drive Excavator there. Bus, don't worry. We're here to save you. Tenny, thank you. Start rescue. Come on. Oh no, Excavator is almost unstoppable. Tenny, give me a hand.
Hey!
Accomplished. Bus has been saved. We need to fill the hole. Tenny, get some wood. Excavator, go there. It's your turn, Excavator. Let's cut it into plank. finished.
Lay on the plank. Adjust it. Look, Tenny also brings a plank. Hey! Let it be there. Excavator, go and test it. It seems stable enough.
Wow!
Truck arrived at the dock. Tenny, please load the drums. Put them carefully. Huh? What's the noise? It's cloudy. It seems going to rain. Let's be quicker. Done! Truck, you can take them away. Thunder and lightning ahead! Truck, take care. No! A huge lightning! No! Truck is out of control! Truck, are you okay? Tenny, truck needs help. Oh no! The fire quickly spread. Move to the river and put it out. Push down the oil drum. It's finally out. Look! Truck is dirty now. Excavator, please clean it. Tenny, go to help it. Tenny uses a sponge. Scrub. Okay. Oh, I can't rinse the foam. Pump comes. Hose connected. Are you ready? Wow, it's clean now. Look, here comes Excavator. Tenny, please repair the road. Drive over carefully. We need to clean up the wood first. Throw it under the cliff. All the wood needs to be cleaned up. Done! Huh? What should we do with such a big pit?
It's a truck! It has a lot of stones there. Let's fill the pit with stones. Be careful! Excavator picks up stones. Load into the carriage. A full carriage is loaded. Truck, you can take it away. Transport is also here. Pick up sediment from the river. Load on the transport. Let's continue. Pull into the carriage. Look, it's full now. Take it away. Tenny, help truck unload the stones. Oh, they are stable enough. Oh no! Truck fell into the pit. What is transport going to do? Oh, someone is in the pit. The engine is too loud. Transport can't hear that. Truck is buried halfway in the pit. Tenny, give him a hand. Come on, Tenny. Truck, are you okay? It looks all right. It's Tyrannosaurus Rex. It didn't find Burner. Hurry up and hide. Almost caught. How to lead Tyrannosaurus Rex away. Got it. Use drumstick. It has been deceived. It ate the drumstick. Look, there's another drumstick. Oh, it's dangerous. Tyrannosaurus Rex fell into the trap. Oh no, Burner wants to steal dinosaur eggs. Tenny, stop and rescue it! Tyrannosaurus Rex! Tenny is coming! Adjust the position of Excavator. Hook up the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Come on, Excavator! Tyrannosaurus Rex! Go and take a look at your nest. The dinosaur egg was stolen. Who did it? Tenny, help it find the egg. Will it hide in the river? Tenny, jump into the water and look for it. Oh, there's nothing under the river. Let's go look elsewhere. Tyrannosaurus Rex has not been found either. Where exactly is the eggs? What's the sound? Hurry up and take a look. It's stolen by Burner. Excavator sends Dinosaur egg back. Tyrannosaurus Rex, hurry up! Excavator finds the egg. Let's put down the egg. You have to keep an eye on your egg. What's Burner doing here? Truck! Burner is there! Be careful! Oops! Burner is a setting trap! Break! Oh! Truck fell into the trap, finally! It's hateful of Burner's trap. Truck, can you try to climb out? No, I can't. What's Burner doing? It is rearranging the trap. It's hateful. Penny, there's a trap ahead. Stop! Luckily, Excavator stopped. No, Burner is making trouble. Oh no, Tyrannosaurus Rex! Tenny, try to get the truck out. Come on, harder! Tyrannosaurus Rex comes. What should we do? The hateful Burner. Don't worry, Excavator is great. Come on, Excavator! Yeah, Excavator won. Burner gets angry. Run, Burner! Tenny, let's rescue the truck. Hook the rear. Pull it up. Oh yeah! The truck is saved. Look, it's Tenny and Excavator. They get to moving the oil drum. Truck comes to load them. We need to go to load the grass too. Look, truck is falling asleep. Hang in! It is the last bundle. Truck, you can take them away. Huh? Oh, truck is getting asleep. Haha! You're awake! It's all loaded. Please take them away. Truck is still sleepy. Hang in there, Truck! No! It's Tyrannosaurus Rex! Stop! Get out of the way! Truck, you are in trouble! Shh! Quiet! No! Tyrannosaurus Rex is going to push it off the cliff! What should we do? Excavator! Truck needs your help! Excavator and Tyrannosaurus Rex is battling! Tenny! Throw the bomb! One, 2, 3, throw! Yeah! Tyrannosaurus Rex ran away! No! Oil drums is leaking and the grass is on fire! Tenny, put out the fire! Hook up a bucket of water here! Put out the fire! Luckily, Truck wasn't hurt.